Improving the habit of reading is one of the goals of the Catch Up Fridays program of the Department of Education. Principal Ana Lu Madrigal of Buting Elementary School shared happiness when this program was mandated by DepEd.
I am so happy that it was materialized and it was really mandated na that we have this Catch-Up Fridays. Kasi yun nga sinisingit ko lang, before sinisingit ko lang, sinasabi ko talaga, every subject is a reading subject. So ngayon meron na. So nakakatuwa po.
Principal Madrigal added she believed that reading can help improve and boost a lot of skills of students.
Kasi I really do believe na reading stories with children could boost and we could hone and we could elicit a lot of skills for the children.
Under the guidance of teachers, the students had various activities related to reading. Children were encouraged to read a book they like under the Drop Everything and Read or Dear program. Aside to silent self-reading, there is also flashcard reading, storytelling, dramatization, and other activities for the students.
The subject teacher planned different activities in her subject to lead the DEAR or the Drop Everything and Read. So there were sharing of stories, especially it was started with the teacher as the model, and then another minute were given for the children to choose their favorite books.
For English and Journalism Coordinator Jason Layugan, this DepEd activity is an opportunity for children to focus on reading books instead of mobile devices.
It's a great help kasi 'di ba sa panahon natin ngayon yung mga bata talagang nauubos yung time nila na gamitin yung kanilang mga gadgets. This gives the opportunity for the child to go back to the usual way dapat na matuto yung mga bata na magbasa using yung mga big books, mga reading books ganun. Kasi nawawala na yung love and passion in reading ng mga bata sa ngayon.
Student Aki was also excited to open a book instead of a gadget.
I'm happy po kasi may mga bata po na nakapagbukas na po ulit ng libro at nakapagbasa na po. Kasi po, karamihan po ng mga bata ngayon is nagbabasa po lots on their gadgets po. Hindi na po nakakapagbasa sa mga libro po. Kaya maganda pong gawin to para kahit papaano po makapagbabasa na po ulit yung mga bata po sa mga libro. And yun po, hindi na po sila masyadong mabababad sa gadgets.
Based on a memorandum signed by DepEd Undersecretary Gina Gonong on January 10, all Fridays of January 2024 will be dedicated to the DEAR activity and orientation for field officials. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.